Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta working as assistant professor at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science, Graphics and Creative Design. Welcome everyone to our presentation on creating a drawing for animation. Today we will explore the fundamentals of animation from the basis of drawing to more advanced concepts like timing, squish and stretch and walk cycles. Whether you are just starting or looking to refine your skills, this presentation will equip you with the knowledge needed to bring your drawings to life through animation. Animation is the powerful art from that has evolved significantly over the years. From the early hand-drawn animations by pioneers like Walt Disney to the advanced computer-generated imaginary we see today, the core principles remains the same. Creating the illusions of movement through a series of still images. Understanding this fundamental concept is the first step towards become an animator. Whether you are working with the traditional hand-drawn techniques or using digital tools, the drawing is the cornerstone of animation. High quality, well executed drawing are crucial because they form the basis of every frame in an animated sequence. Today's presentation will show you how to improve your drawing skills specifically for animation. Tools and materials. The tools you can use greatly influence your workflow and the quality of your animation. Traditional animators often use light boxes and big bars to ensure consistency across frames, while digital animators rely on software and drawing tablets. Whether you choose to work traditionally or digitally, it is essential to familiarize yourself with your tools and set up a workspace that support you create process. Mastering basic drawing techniques is essential for animators. Line quality can make or break a drawing, as clean and consistent lines are easier to animate. Building complex characters from simple shapes helps maintain consistency across frames, and understanding proportions ensure that characters look realistic and cohesive. Finally, shading and texturing add depth, making your drawing more lifelike. Character design is where your creativity truly shines. A well designed character should be instantly recognizable by its silhouette alone. It should have a visual appeal, drawing viewers in with interesting shapes, colors, and details. But beyond aesthetics, a character design should convey personality, whether they are heroic or don't be afraid to iterate on your designs. Refining and revising is the part of creative process. Even if your character are fantastical or exaggerated, a solid understanding of anatomy is crucial. Knowing how muscles and joints work will allow you to create more realistic and convincing movements. However, in animation, we often simplify or stylize these details to fit overall aesthetics of the project. Striking the right balance between accuracy and stylization is key. Gender drawing, gesture drawing is all about capturing the energy and flow of pose in a very short time. It's less about detail and more about the overall movement and dynamics of the figure. This technique is incredibly useful for animators as it helps you understand and depict more motion effectively. Regular practices with gesture drawing will improve your ability to create fluid look like animations. Storyboard is a critical steps in the animation process. It's essentially the visual script of your animations, outlining each scene shot by shot. A storyboard helps you plan the native flow, determining camera angles and visualizing how each part of the story will unfold. In animation, keyframes are the main drawings that defining the start and end of any action. In betweens are the drawing the transition between these keyframes, creating the illusion of continuous movements. Extremes are the most intense or stretched poses within a sequence, often where squash and stretch principles are applied. Understanding how to effectively use keyframes and in-betweens is crucial for creating smooth, believable animations. Timing and spacing are fundamental principles that dictate how your animation will look and feel. Timing refers to the number of frames and action takes, affecting the speed and mood of the movement. The walk cycle is a fundamental animations exercise that teaches you how to create continuous looping motions. The basic walk style consists of four key positions. First one, contact, where the foot first touches the ground. Second one, down, where the body lowers. Third one, passing, where the other foot passes the first. And finally, up, where the body rises before the next contact. Thank you.